welcome to this introductory course for using Automic Automation Intelligence with your Automic Automation system. Beyond this video, the course includes how to get the installation materials, how to install Automic Automation Intelligence, how to set up and configure the connector for Automic Automation, how to create an SLA for Automic jobs, and how to use the critical path facilities, how AI and job streams can improve monitoring, and how-to guides for checkpoint alerting, business views, and setting up monitoring. It also includes an overview of the most exciting reports and how to use them. The course completes with helpful information on how to get more information and assistance. But before that, let's take a few minutes to talk about the benefits of AI to an existing Automic Automation environment. Automic Automation Intelligence has many benefits for customers. The system provides new insights into the information contained in your workload automation data. This increases visibility and, more importantly, gives us an understanding of the results you're trying to deliver through Automic. An independent report by Forrester Consulting showed that customers reduced the number of SLA breaches impacting their business by over 2/3 and saved nearly $250,000 in staff time in IT operations. Importantly, and we often forget this, saving over $500,000 across the wider business because of the few SLA breaches. There are far more benefits highlighted in the Total Economic Impact report, but these are actual dollar savings and so good to highlight. Adopting Automic Automation Intelligence will save you time and money. A highlight of the system is the ease of defining the SLAs your business needs delivered. Get to the last job that needs delivery and set the time frame. The system works out the rest, regardless of what workflows the dependencies might exist in. You get a dynamic critical path, not just in the workflow, but upstream to everything that can impact it. When something is not going to plan, you're laser focused on what will improve the situation. But you also get informed of risks to SLAs much earlier because the system determines everything that could impact the SLA. It is watching from much earlier. It also checks this execution of the workflow against previous execution patterns to see the likely impact, so real-time and more accurate projections and alerts. Often, Automic Automation is thought of as a tool for the sole use of IT operations. AI allows us to project our automation information to a wider audience, in terms that they can understand. That may be as simple as a line of business, but more often, it's around the core business processes we're processing. By using names the business understands and simplifying the schedules, we can share this information with all our stakeholders, not just in report form, but also in real time, so they can self-serve state information and be in the loop with where SLA deliveries are. With this shared understanding, IT operations can also prove the value they bring to the business. Even if a problem is being resolved over a longer time frame, the incremental improvements can be demonstrated. In addition, the platform allows us to see longer-term threats to our service deliveries, so we can take action before the business is ever impacted. AI allows us to become much more proactive about running our systems. The predictive alerts indicate the risk of delivering services much earlier. Trending and bottleneck detection will enable us to take preventative action before it's too late. For in-flight processing, we see our critical path in real time, not just in the workflow, but for any processing that might impact our delivery. The SLA monitoring is designed to give us time to resolve before we have a breach in the SLA. And again, predictive alerting is here to warn us of potential risks in the short term. The analytics also allow us to learn and improve, removing inefficiencies in our dependency processing. Another area you'll see significant improvement in is reporting. From the heights of the entire system through our critical business processes and into our individual jobs, trending and impacts to critical path and SLA allow us previously unseen insights. These can be scheduled to deliver, be dynamically available, and even put into dashboards. So these were just a few of the highlights of the benefits of AI in an Automic Automation environment. As you get to use the product, you'll see there's far more impacts to how you can run an efficient IT operations environment. Look forward to taking the remainder of the course and getting Automic Automation Intelligence installed and configured and running against your Automic Automation environment. Thank you for your time.